I'm measuring these baskets here at just shy. So 7.5 foot. So we got 15 foot on the wings. And then this main basket right here is 12 foot. So I'm measuring 27 foot. 15, 12, 27. Okay. So I'm measuring 27 foot overall basket. They may recommend this buying a 26 foot. Recommend doing it like a 26 footer, but single basket. The baskets are in excellent shape. There's very little use. They're still blunt on the end. You can see by the teeth here, this thing hasn't hardly done anything. They're not even sharp. It's a rolling Harrow 110 UNVERFERTH, and we've had several people call wanting to know the size, so we figured we better do a video. I'm looking at it. You know, it's not welded. It's not broke. Mechanically, I think it's a very good single basket, and it's here available on the lot today. And then the tongue is also, the tongue's good and straight for the most part. You may have a little bow here on this end if you take it all the way out. Looks like that right there, maybe just slightly, but all in all, looks to be a very good unit.